Everyone, I'm Ankur Singh, a legal intern at Lexis Company. In this video, I'm going to talk about search and search warrant. A search warrant is a written authority given by a court or a competent magistrate to a police officer or any other person for the search of any place or for generally for any document or for the person who is wrongfully detained. It is a coercive method which involves invasion of sanity and privacy of citizens' home or premises. There are two type of warrant. In first type of warrant, when police officer will came to you and show you a warrant at your home or premises that for this reason magistrate had issued a search warrant for any things like any person or document. There are many provisions in which search warrant will not be showed to you. Like in any states, election is going on and code of conduct is enforced. Your vehicle can be stopped and searched by the police without any warrant. Purpose of issuing of search warrant: first, for protection of document or things; for search of a house suspected to contain any stolen property or forged document; third, to seize any forbidden forfeited publications; fourth, for dis- uh, discovery of person wrongfully confined. In this video, I will mainly focus on the search conducted under warrant. In my next video, I will tell about search conducted without warrant. Section 93 says when a search warrant may be issued under this section, a magistrate may issue warrant in following conditions. Firstly, when the court has reason to believe that person summoned under section 91 of CRPC and he will not produce document as required by the court. Second, when such document or things is not known to court to be in possession of any person. When the court considers that the purpose of an inquiry, trial, or other proceedings will be served by the general search. We can understand thing with the help of in case of V.S. Kuttan Pillai versus Ramakrishnan and others in the year of 1980. In this case, court says issuing of search warrant is a serious matter. It is a discretionary power of magistrate, but it cannot be arbitrary. Similarly, in the case of Chudia Raman versus Agrawal Seat Home, Street Corner, 1980 and 1990, court says when the warrant is issued, court must ensure that rights of any person should not be adversely affected. Under Section 94 of CRPC, any district magistrate or sub-divisional district magistrate or judicial magistrate first class may issue a search warrant of a place if they have reasons to believe any stolen property may be found from that place or any objectionable article may be found from that place or any such article is deposited in such place. In case of Vikas Book Agency versus State of Uttar Pradesh 1992 says issuing search warrant is a judicial process and for judicial process magistrate should use its discretionary power and magistrate should have reasons to believe for this. And in section 95 says power declares certain publications forfeited and to issue search warrant for the same. Section 95 says to declare certain publications forfeited which have connection to the section 124A or 153A or 153B or to section 292 or 293 or 295 of Indian Penal Code. In these cases, state government may issue search warrant for these publications and seize these publications. Any document cannot be published which have connection to the sedition or which disturbs the religious harmony or publishes any pornographical content. If any publication company or any newspaper company thinks grounds on which their publications are seized are invalid, then Section 96 says they can file a case in High Court directly. Section 97 of CRPC says that search for a person wrongfully confined. Section 97 says DM, district magistrate, SDM, subdivisional district magistrate, or JMFC, Judicial Magistrate First Class, may issue search warrant for a person wrongfully confined. Section 97 is similar power as Supreme Court or High Court has writ of habeas corpus, where a person is searched and present in the court in the front of court. I hope you like this video. Thank you.